How you start your morning can set the tone for your entire day. Imagine waking up with a sense of purpose, clarity, and calm, ready to face whatever challenges come your way with grace and resilience. The ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers powerful tools that can transform your morning routine into a foundation for a more balanced and fulfilling life. In this video, we'll explore how you can incorporate Stoic wisdom into your morning rituals to cultivate inner peace, focus, and strength. Let's dive in and discover how a Stoic morning routine can make a difference in your life. Number 1. Begin with silence. Create space for reflection. The first moments of your day are precious. They are a blank canvas upon which you can set the tone for the hours ahead. Instead of immediately diving into the noise of the day, checking your phone, reading emails, or scrolling through social media, begin your morning in silence. This practice of starting the day quietly is deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy. The Stoics valued the power of reflection and introspection. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, often emphasized the importance of starting the day with a clear and focused mind. By beginning your morning in silence, you create a space for your thoughts to settle, allowing you to approach the day with a calm and composed mindset. Find a quiet spot where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, focusing on the present moment. This simple practice of silence helps you center yourself, clearing away the mental clutter that often accompanies the rush of the morning. It's in these quiet moments that you can set your intentions and prepare your mind to embrace the day with wisdom and purpose. Number 2. Morning reflection. Align your actions with your values. After creating a moment of silence, it's time to engage in a brief morning reflection, a practice that helps you align your actions with your core values. This is not a passive exercise, but an active process of preparing your mind for the day ahead. The Stoics believed that living a virtuous life requires intentionality. Marcus Aurelius often used his mornings to remind himself of the principles he wanted to embody throughout the day: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By reflecting on these virtues, he prepared himself to meet the challenges of the day with integrity and strength. Take a few minutes to consider what lies ahead. Ask yourself, what challenges might I face today? How can I respond to them in a way that reflects my values? What virtues do I want to embody in my interactions with others? This reflection is like a mental rehearsal, helping you to approach your day with a clear sense of purpose and a commitment to living in alignment with your highest ideals. Number 3. Negative visualization. Prepare for the unexpected. One of the most powerful Stoic practices is premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. This involves imagining potential challenges or setbacks that might arise during the day, allowing you to mentally prepare for them in advance. Seneca, a prominent Stoic philosopher, believed that by visualizing adversity, we can diminish its impact on our emotions when it actually occurs. He wrote, "Rehearse them in your mind. Exile, torture, war, shipwreck. All the terms of our human lot should be before our eyes." By confronting these possibilities in your morning routine, you build resilience and reduce the likelihood of being caught off guard. To practice negative visualization, take a few moments after your reflection to think about the obstacles you might encounter today. Imagine how you would respond to these challenges with patience, wisdom, and composure. This mental rehearsal helps you develop a proactive mindset, ready to face whatever the day might bring with grace and resilience. Number 4. Gratitude practice. Focus on abundance. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, and incorporating it into your morning routine can have a profound impact on your mindset. The Stoics believe that by focusing on what you have, rather than what you lack, you can cultivate a deep sense of contentment and joy. Marcus Aurelius often reflected on the simple blessings in his life, reminding himself to appreciate the things he had. He wrote, "Do not indulge in dreams of having what you have not, but reckon up the chief of the blessings you do possess, and then thankfully remember how you would crave for them if they were not yours." Start your day by acknowledging the things you're grateful for: your health, your loved ones, the opportunities that lie ahead. This practice doesn't have to be lengthy. Even just a few moments of gratitude can shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. You might consider keeping a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you're thankful for each morning. This simple ritual can help you approach your day with a positive and appreciative mindset, setting the stage for a more fulfilling day. Number 5. Set daily goals. Focus on what you can control. One of the core tenets of Stoicism is the distinction between what is within our control and what is not. The Stoics believe that true peace comes from focusing on what we can influence, our thoughts, actions, and responses, while accepting the things that are beyond our control. As you plan your day, set goals that are within your sphere of influence. Instead of fixating on outcomes, which are often beyond your control, focus on the actions you can take to move toward those outcomes. For example, rather than setting a goal to achieve a promotion, set a goal to work diligently and improve my skills. This shift in focus empowers you to take meaningful action while letting go of unnecessary stress. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher, taught that some things are up to us and some things are not up to us. By setting goals that align with this principle, you cultivate a sense of control over your life and reduce the anxiety that comes from worrying about things you cannot change. This practice not only helps you achieve more, but also brings a sense of calm and purpose to your daily activities. Number 6. Practice voluntary discomfort. Build resilience. Incorporating a small act of voluntary discomfort into your morning routine can build mental toughness and resilience. The Stoics believed that by intentionally exposing yourself to discomfort, you could better prepare for the inevitable hardships of life. Seneca, for instance, would regularly practice periods of voluntary poverty, wearing simple clothes and eating meager meals, to remind himself that true happiness does not depend on wealth or luxury. By getting comfortable with discomfort, you diminish its power over you. In your morning routine, consider incorporating a brief act of voluntary discomfort. This could be as simple as taking a cold shower, going for an early morning run, or fasting until midday. These small challenges train your mind to endure discomfort without complaint, making you more resilient to the larger challenges life may throw your way. This practice isn't about punishing yourself, but about building a stronger, more adaptable mindset. By starting your day with a small act of voluntary discomfort, you set a tone of resilience and strength that carries through the rest of your day. Number 7. Engage in physical exercise. Strengthen body and mind. Physical exercise is not only essential for your health, but also an important part of a Stoic morning routine. The Stoics believe that a strong body supports a strong mind, and regular physical activity is a way to cultivate discipline, resilience, and mental clarity. Epictetus emphasized the importance of training both the body and the mind, saying, "We must undergo a hard winter training and not rush into things for which we haven't prepared." Engaging in physical exercise each morning challenges you to push your limits and develop the discipline needed for a virtuous life. Incorporate a form of physical exercise that you enjoy and that challenges you. Whether it's a morning run, a yoga session, or weight training, the key is consistency. Exercise not only boosts your physical health but also enhances your mental focus, reduces stress, and sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. By starting your morning with physical activity, you reinforce the Stoic principle of building strength and resilience, both physically and mentally. This practice helps you face the day's challenges with greater energy and determination. Number 8. Mindful breathing. Cultivate inner calm. Incorporating mindful breathing into your morning routine is a powerful way to cultivate inner calm and focus. The Stoics understood the importance of controlling the mind, and one of the most effective ways to do this is by regulating your breath. Mindful breathing involves focusing on the rhythm of your breath, bringing your attention fully into the present moment. This practice helps to calm the mind, reduce stress, and create a sense of inner peace. It's a simple yet profound way to start your day with clarity and composure. To practice mindful breathing, find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe, focus your attention on the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. This practice can be done in just a few minutes each morning, and its effects can ripple throughout your day. By starting your day with mindful breathing, you set a foundation of calm and centeredness that helps you navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Number 9. Affirm your purpose. Reinforce your why. The Stoics believed that living with purpose is essential for a meaningful life. As you prepare to start your day, take a moment to affirm your purpose, your why. This could be your long-term goals, your commitment to living virtuously, or your dedication to serving others. Marcus Aurelius often reflected on his purpose, reminding himself of his duty as a leader and a philosopher. He wrote, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work as a human being. What do I have to complain of if I'm going to do what I was born for?" Affirming your purpose each morning reinforces your commitment to living intentionally. It helps you stay focused on what truly matters, guiding your actions throughout the day. You might write down your purpose on a note and place it where you'll see it each morning, or simply take a moment to reflect on it as you begin your day. This practice keeps you aligned with your core values and goals, providing a sense of direction and motivation. By affirming your purpose each morning, you set the stage for a day filled with intention and meaning. Number 10. Recite a Stoic mantra. Anchor your mind. Incorporating a Stoic mantra into your morning routine can serve as a powerful mental anchor, helping you stay grounded and focused throughout the day. A mantra is a short, powerful phrase that encapsulates Stoic wisdom, providing a reminder of the principles you want to live by. One of the most famous Stoic mantras comes from Epictetus. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Reciting this mantra each morning reinforces the Stoic belief that you have control over your reactions, even if you can't control external events. Choose a Stoic mantra that resonates with you and reflects the mindset you want to cultivate. This could be something as simple as amor fati, love of fate, memento mori, remember that you will die, or virtue is sufficient for happiness. Repeat this mantra to yourself each morning as you prepare for the day ahead. By incorporating a Stoic mantra into your morning routine, you create a mental touchstone that helps you stay aligned with Stoic principles throughout the day. This practice serves as a reminder of your commitment to living a virtuous and meaningful life, no matter what challenges you may face. Thank you for exploring how to use Stoic wisdom in your morning routine. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you can start each day with a sense of purpose, calm, and resilience. Remember, Stoicism is not just a philosophy. It's a way of life that can help you navigate the complexities of existence with grace and wisdom. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into Stoic living. Let's continue this journey together, one morning at a time. Stay centered, and I'll see you in the next video.